Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dita from the last group, from the 9 group. Okay, in the 9 group, there are me, Dita Tri Utamiatmisari, dan Hermina Nainggolan would like the presentation about nursing diagnosis. Kak Hermina. Conversation diagnosing a new patient. Mrs. Smith comes to see the doctor since she is feeling unwell. Kak Hermin?
Good morning, Doc.
Oh iya, lupa. Good morning, Mrs. Smith.
Yes, I am.
Alright, sit down please. What seems to be the problem?
Okay, thank you. I feel feverish, sweaty, and nourished, Doc. I also shiver and got a bad headache.
Do you feel weary?
Yes, Doc, I feel weary too.
Did you do any blood transfusion recently?
No, I didn't.
Did you probably spend the night in a malaria endemic place?
Yeah, actually, I did, Doc. I spent the night there for around a week for talking the death of my research.
Okay, I see.
Is that something serious, Doc?
We will know more after you do some tests in the lab. Once you have finished the test, you can come back here and we can know more after the results have come in.
Okay, Doc. Thank you.
You're very welcome. After doing some tests, Mrs. Smith comes back to the doctor's room.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Oh, Mrs. Smith. Sit down, please.
Thank you, Doc.
Do you bring all the test results?
Yes, I do. Here they are.
Okay, let me take a look at the test result first. Then the doctor reads the test results carefully. Alright, Mrs. Smith, from the test results, I can diagnose that you were infected by malaria parasite. Here it can be seen that you were positively infected by that parasite.
Yes, I see.
So you should be hospitalized, Mrs. Smith, in order that you can be treated intensively.
Okay, Doc. I will take your suggestion. Thank you.
Okay, good. Yes, you're welcome. Kak Hermin?
Example of expression is diagnosing patient. The text result have come in. You have a long road to recovery. We have several options to discuss. The blood test come back negative. You are ready to go home. You need to be here every night. We'll know more in a few days. Hasil tes Anda telah keluar. Butuh waktu lama untuk pemulihan. We have option to discuss. Ada beberapa opsi yang perlu kita bicarakan atau diskusikan. The bloods that came back negative. Hasil tes darah menyatakan negatif. It look like you're ready to go home. Sepertinya Anda sudah dapat pulang. You need to be here every night. Anda perlu rawat inap semalam lagi. We'll know more in a few days. Kita akan tahu lebih mengenai hal tersebut dalam beberapa hari. Example of expression in diagnosing patient. I don't understand what this means. Your test result have come in. Example expression is diagnosing physician. Your test result have come in. Example of expression in diagnosing patient. I don't understand what this means. Saya tidak paham apa artinya ini. Am I going to need surgery? Apakah Anda perlu dioperasi? It is good news or bad? Berita baik atau buruk? When will the test result come in? Kapan hasil tesnya keluar? How long do I have to stay in the hospital? Berapa lama saya harus dirawat di rumah sakit? What is the success rate? Bagaimana tingkat kesuksesannya? Are they going to run more tests? Apakah mereka akan melakukan tes lagi? Is this a common problem for people my age? Apakah ini masalah yang umum bagi orang-orang seumur seperti saya? I'd like to discuss other patient. Saya akan membicarakan opsi lainnya. I'm going to get a second opinion. Saya perlu mendapatkan opini dari pihak lain. Example of expression is diagnosing patient symptom. I have got a high temperature. Saya demam tinggi. I feel really exhausted. Saya merasa sangat lelah. Call you check my blood pressure. Apakah Anda dapat mengecek tekanan darah saya? I have got high blood pressure recently. Tekanan darah saya tinggi akhir-akhir ini. I feel a pain here. Saya merasakan sakit di sini. I feel dizzy. I have got a kidney problem. I have lost weight. Saya merasa pusing. Saya memiliki masalah pada ginjal. Saya kehilangan berat badan. I always feel bad after meals. I have got a stomach ache. Saya selalu merasa tidak enak setelah makan. Saya merasa sakit perut. I have got a splitting headache. Often have not split. Saya sakit kepala, serasa mau pecah. Saya sering mimisan. I have diarrhea. I lost appetite. Saya diare. Saya kehilangan nafsu makan. I have got blood circulation problem. I sweat all night. Saya memiliki masalah sirkulasi darah. Saya berkeringat semalaman. Example of expression in diagnosing patient symptom. My ears are buzzing. Telinga saya berdenyum. I have sprained ankle. Pergelangan kaki saya keseleo. My hand is badly swollen. Tangan saya bengkak parah. I have an injury in my legs. Saya memiliki luka di kaki. I have a measles. Saya terkena cacar air. Is this something serious? Is this a common problem at my age? Apakah ini hal yang serius? Apakah ini masalah yang umum pada usia saya? I hope there won't be any complication. Saya harap tidak akan ada komplikasi. Could you prescribe some medicine for me? Dapatkah Anda menulis resep obat untuk saya? How often should I take this medicine? Seberapa sering saya harus meminum obat ini? Shall I come back next week if I don't get better? Apakah saya perlu kembali lagi minggu depan jika saya tidak kunjung membaik? Medicine, medical equipment and tools. Pill, tablet, capsule, syrup, ointment, cream, ice drop, injection, tranquilizer, painkiller, bridge, wedge, plaster, elastic tape, thermometer, stethoscope, syringe, forceps, oxygen mask, test tube, antiseptic, backdeck, vial, crux, pill kills. Nursing diagnosis by Nanda. A nursing diagnosis is one of nursing process. Is this a medical judgment about individual, actual or potential health problems? It also examines a problem response, which represent during assessment. Nursing diagnosis is development from that grades during nursing assessment. The North American Nursing Diagnosis Association, or NANDA, a body of professional nursing manages of official is nursing diagnosis. The following is the list of the 9-year NANDA nursing diagnosis. NANDA nursing diagnosis, the new NANDA nursing diagnosis. 1. Risk for infective activity planning. Resiko ketidakefektifan aktiviti perencanaan. 2. Risk for export research to load net contrast media. Resiko reaksi merugikan pada media kontras yodium. Risk for allergy response, resiko respon terhadap alergi. Infused breast milk, ASI yang tidak cukup. Infant childbirth process, ketidakefektifan proses melahirkan. Risk for insect childbirth process, resiko ketidakefektifan proses melahirkan. Risk for dry eyes, resiko mata kering. Deficiency community health, kurangnya kesehatan masyarakat. Ineffective impulse control, ketidakefektifan kontrol detak jantung. Risk for neonatal jaundice, resiko penyakit kuning pada bayi. Risk for disturbed personal identity, resiko identitas personal yang terganggu. Infective relationship, ketidakefektifan hubungan. Risk for ineffective relationship, resiko ketidakefektifan hubungan. Risk for chronic low self-esteem, resiko tidak percaya diri kronis. Risk for thermal injury, resiko luka bakar atau thermal. Risk for ineffective peripheral tissue perfusion, resiko ketidakefektifan perfusi sekitar jaringan.
Reading a text. Found only in the heart, cardiac muscle is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. Cardiac muscle tissue cannot be controlled consciously, so it is an involuntary muscle. While hormones and signals from the brain adjust the rate of contraction, cardiac muscle stimulates itself to contract. The natural pacemaker of the heart is made of cardiac muscle tissue that stimulates other cardiac muscle cells to contract. Because of its self-stimulation, cardiac muscle is considered to be autorhythmic or intrinsically controlled. The cells of cardiac muscle tissue are striated, that is, they appear to have light and dark stripes when viewed under a light microscope. The arrangement of protein fibers inside of the cells causes these light and dark bands. Striations indicate that a muscle cell is very strong, unlike visceral muscles. The cells of cardiac muscles are branched X or Y-shaped cells tightly connected together by special junctions called intercalated discs. Intercalated discs are made up of finger-like projection from two neighboring cells that interlock and provide a strong bond between the cells. The branched structure and intercalated disc allow the muscle cells to resist high blood pressure and the strain of pumping blood throughout a lifetime. These features also help to spread electrochemical signals quickly from cell to cell so that the heart can beat as a unit. Hanya ditemukan di jantung, otot jantung bertanggung jawab untuk memompa darah seluruh tubuh. Jaringan otot jantung tidak dapat dikontrol dengan sengaja. Jadi jaringan tersebut merupakan otot involunter. Pada saat hormon dan sinyal dari otak mengatur laju kontraksi, otot jantung menstimulasi untuk berkontraksi dengan sendirinya. Pacu jantung yang alami pada jantung terbuat dari jaringan otot jantung yang merangsang sel otot jantung lainnya untuk berkontraksi. Karena menstimulasi dirinya sendiri, otot jantung dianggap otot otoritmik atau dikontrol secara intrinsik. Sel-sel jaringan otot jantung berbentuk lurik, yaitu mereka tampak memiliki garis-garis terang dan gelap bila dilihat di bawah cahaya mikroskop. Susunan serat protein di dalam sel menyebabkan pita terang dan gelap ini. Lurik menunjukkan bahwa sel otot sangat kuat, tidak seperti otot visceral. Sel-sel otot jantung adalah sel-sel berbentuk X atau Y bercabang yang dihubungkan dengan kuat oleh sambungan khusus yang disebut cakram interkalasi. Cakram interkalasi terdiri dari proyeksi seperti jari dari dua sel yang berdekatan yang saling mengunci dan memberikan ikatan yang kuat antara sel. Struktur yang bercabang dan disk interkalasi memungkinkan sel-sel otot untuk menahan tekanan darah tinggi dan ketegangan memompa darah sepanjang hidup. Fitur-fitur ini juga membantu menyebarkan sinyal elektrokimia dengan cepat dari sel ke sel sehingga jantung dapat berdetak sebagai satu kesatuan.